I'm going to give you some bonus pro tips on how to make your driving without insurance court appearance go smoothly. Now, tip number one, what do you bring to your drive no insurance court date? If it's your first appearance, bring the court summons or the ticket the police officer gave you when you got charged. And this is very helpful in the event that the court cannot find your file. If you have any evidence that contradicts your drive no insurance charge, bring that too and show it to the prosecutor. Tip number two, get there early. The earlier you get to court, the earlier you're going to be able to leave. And this is especially true with busier courts. You try to get there at least 30 minutes to 60 minutes early before the start time. Tip number three, confirm you are on what's called the court docket. With every court date, there's a list of everyone that needs to appear, and this is called a court docket. Confirm you are on this list. Sometimes you're not, and if you're not on the court docket, don't leave. Show the prosecutor the summons and ask what you should do next. Tip number four, get in line. When you get to court, make sure you find the right line. It's common for people to show up early and not get in the right line, or they wait around while other people form a line. If you miss the right line, this may add a few hours to your time in court. Tip number five, I just mentioned, it may take hours. Be prepared to be in court for hours. Hopefully it's going to be quick, but you never know. Tip number six, with a drive no insurance charge, keep your emotions in check, even if you're really angry. Getting charged with driving without insurance is stressful. It is. But it's important to keep your emotions in check. Everyone in that courtroom has a job to do. You are now in a legal process and you need to just simply ride it out. Tip number seven, make sure you stay after meeting with the prosecutor. After you meet with the prosecutor, you can't leave. You must have your case heard before a justice of peace, even if it's just setting a new date. Tip number eight, take notes. Make sure you get the prosecutor's name and if possible their contact information, and take note of your next court date appearance, the date and the time and the courtroom, because the courts will not send you a notice of your next date, so you need to write that down.